Hi everyone, Careless Andrew here. Today I've got this Loto lock. This is the Lockwood Assa Abloy 215P40, the brass shackle. So this is a lockout tag out lock. It's C4 keyway. This is the bitting. Not terrible bitting, but it contains 6 spools in there, the Lockwood Assa Abloy spools, and just show you how it works. So it's got basically a dead core and a sprung shackle, and it is key retaining, and it does have a removable core, which is really cool. So if I can open it today, we'll do a gutting. So let's get back down here. And because I've only got 2 of these, and they were extremely hard to get, I don't want to damage this any further, so I'm going to put a piece of cardboard on one side of the vise, because this does take off a lot of this sticker sort of thing, and I can't find replacements anywhere online, so I'm trying to preserve it as much as I can. Right, that still works perfectly. Yep, sometimes it does a bit too tight, but that's fine. Yep, cool. Alright, let's get to a picking. So I'm going to use this tensioner from Down to Monkey. I love this tensioner, it's become my new favourite. And of course the B shoe. And let's dive in and have a look. I have been practicing on other cylinders, so in this little oval here I've put same spools in there, the Assa Abloy spools, and same in this little kit. So I have been practicing these spools, so yes, it's good to practice different types of drivers, I think, and especially when you're picking CLs and that sort of thing, just comes in handy. Try to get the best angle here. Well, try to. Sure, going to, but alright. So I'm just gonna work off that ledge here, as always, off the C4, off this ledge, and work up. Righty. Okay, let's see if we can get open. Nothing off one there. It does feel bindy a little bit. Counter, okay. Okay, 2 now. Counter off 2. Okay. I'm not putting much pressure on these pins. I'm doing manual counter rotation. So as soon as I feel that pin move, I put the tension back on. So that feels like 3. Manual counter. Felt it move. Tension back on. Okay, feels like number 4 now. Can't get under it, so I'm going to release a bit of tension. Now I'm under it. It's giving me counter. Yep. Okay, so I'm still in that false set. So that was 4. Okay, so 2 feels set. 3 feels set. 4 feels set. Okay, 5 there. So counter of 5. It's about to move, I can feel it. Oh, I think I might have overset it then. And I'm just going to let go of that pin. I might have dropped the whole stack there. No, 2 still set. 3. Okay, 4's dropped down. 7 that time. That might have been 6 actually. My 6 is here. Okay, not too sure what's going on here. Okay, feels like one's dropped back down. Oh, and we got an open, beautiful. Right, just make sure that is open. So you can see that is open. Oh, I'm getting what am I getting? A warning on my iPad, low battery. Hold on, I might plug in the charger. Sorry about this, guys. Just quickly put in the charger. There we go. Conks out on me, and let's gut this. Nice. Finally got this on camera. My vice away. Yeah, see how it leaves the black on there? Yeah, don't like that. Don't like that at all. Okay, so let's do a gutting. Might zoom in a little bit. There we go. Get pin tray. So I love these Loto locks. Absolutely love these. I did a video on these last year, saying that they're arguably the best Loto lock on the market because they are so versatile. They usually do come with a restricted keyway. This one doesn't because it's a consumer variety, but they do come. This one, okay, there we go. But they do come usually with a restricted keyway. I do not remember which keyway it is. They also have interchangeable shackles. You can get polymer ones, like plastic or something. So this is the same adapter as you would see on a normal 334, it's just plastic. It's a Loto lock. Exact same tailpiece. So just lock it up and it's quite strange because it's got a key retaining pin in there, but it's key retaining anyway because of the actuator it's got in the back of the lock, which I might drop out and just show you guys. Yeah, so it's just like that. Yeah, and you can take it apart fully, so you can swap out your shackles. That's the brass variety there, and there is the ball bearings and the shackle spring. It's actually got, oh, it's a double shackle spring. It's got like 2 springs in there. That's different. Interesting. Where's the other ball bearing? Oh, it's stuck in there. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely stuck in there. Might need a helping hand. There we go. That's the other ball bearing. So yeah, I reckon these are very, very versatile. Just love these locks. These Loto locks. Alrighty, so back to gutting. Tail piece off. Just interested to see what type of pin this has got. This has got the straight pin or the T pin style. Yeah, it's got a T pin style key retaining pin, which is interesting because it's key retaining because of this little piece here. So, alrighty, so I'm going to shim. Follow. Key pins towards me. Yep. So, fully populated to 6. All needed to be picked. I'm just going to dump these out. 1, 2. These are all tapered as well. They look like those anti-drill key pins, like steel or stainless. Not too sure, but it's got a brass core. Now let's get a little magnet and see if key pins are attracted to it. Strange. Let me get a larger magnet, a more powerful magnet. It's strange how the key pins are not attracted. There might be brass underneath there. This might have a chrome coating. Alrighty, down a good bit. So we'll go from the back, get the shim out, and get these beautiful drivers out. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So they're all spools. I'm not going to take the springs out, they're all the same. So yeah, I can't say again, I just love these Lotos. They're bloody marvellous. I'll just give you guys a quick close-up, just by hand. I'm not going to put it on any box or anything like that. As you can see there, it's got the Assa spools at the top, just a little tricky little pick, and these tapered key pins down the bottom. So it's got 2 shackle springs, not sure, and that's the rest of it there. Cool. Alright guys, that'll be it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.